Today we discuss Lagrange's linear equation. First let us discuss what is meant by Lagrange's equation. Before that we are introducing a linear partial differential equation. A linear partial differential equation of the first order, that is otherwise called a Lagrange's linear equation, is of the form capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q equal to capital R, where capital P, Q and R are functions of x, y, z, and small p is dou z by dou x, small q is dou z by dou y. This equation is also known as quasi-linear equation. When the functions p, q and r are independent of z, it is known as linear equation. To solve this type of linear partial differential equation, we are having a collection of subsidiary equations which are given by dx by capital P equal to dy by capital Q equal to dz by capital R. Capital P, capital Q and capital R are obtained from the standard form of the linear partial differential equation. We will have some functions of x, y, z as a coefficient of small p. For coefficient of small q also we will have a function of x, y and z. And again on the right hand side, without any partial derivative, we will have a function of x, y and z which is denoted by capital R. While forming the subsidiary equations, we are using this capital P, capital Q and capital R. Now we are going to solve these subsidiary equations to get the solution of the given partial differential equation. And if the solution of these subsidiary equations is in the form u of xyz equal to a and v of xyz equal to b, then the solution of the given Lagrange's equation is given by phi of uv equal to 0 or u equal to f of v.